Hey, ever wondered how to plan the perfect scenic road trip across India? Let me break it down step by step. First things first, pick your route. Lush hills of Himachal, coastal roads of Goa, serene beauty around Mulshi Lake. Choose a destination that excites you. Next, map out your stops. Use Google Maps to mark fuel stations, food joints, must-see viewpoints. Trust me, a little planning saves a lot of headaches. Pack smart. Water, snacks, power bank, first aid kit. If it's monsoon, keep a raincoat handy. Now about your ride. Make sure your vehicle is in top shape. Check the tires, check the brakes, check the engine oil. When you're finally on your way, take it slow. Enjoy the journey. Stop often for photos. Drone shots over lakes, winding roads are totally worth it. And here's a pro tip. Start early. Avoid traffic. Catch the sunrise. There's something magical about those early hours on an open Indian highway. So what are you waiting for? Plan your route, pack your bags, get ready for an unforgettable Indian road trip adventure. If these tips helped, hit like and subscribe for more travel guides. Safe travels!